Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, welcome to Army Public School PMA Resource Network. Before we start our today's subject, English language, please subscribe this page and click on bell icon. In our today's topic, we are going to discuss about Unit 2, Clean and Green. Our beloved country Pakistan is a beautiful country with picturesque landscapes, gushing rivers, and rugged mountains. There are many beautiful places in Pakistan that attract the attention of adventure seekers. But it is quite unfortunate that the country's breathtaking beauty suffers at the hand of its own people. A trip to any tourist site in Pakistan will make you marvel at the natural beauty, but at the same time, it will leave you embarrassed. People visiting these places are mainly responsible for the damage. Plus, not many realize the long term environmental impact of harming the natural beauty and resources of the country. It is about time we change our mindset as a nation. Protecting our environment is not a choice, it's a necessity. For a clean and green Pakistan, we need to play our part. Students, here are some tips for a clean and green Pakistan. Don't litter public places, recycle stuff, adapt environment friendly practices, plant more trees, conserve water, use biodegradable stuff, don't use polythene bags. Let's discuss all these points one by one. First is don't throw any trash on roads. When you are out on the streets, don't forget you are a responsible citizen of Pakistan. It is your duty not to throw litter on the ground. Keep a small bag with you where you can collect trash. Plastic bottles, juice boxes, and any wrapper. When you are taking a road trip in Pakistan and you want to enjoy every bit of the natural beauty that you see on your way, it is your duty to keep the road and places you visit clean and tidy by not throwing litter around. Inculcate this habit in your children as well as by asking them not to throw trash outside. Give them small incentives to collect as much as trash as they can at any of these tourist sites. Contribute your bit in keeping your streets and roads clean. Second point is recycle stuff. Nargis Latif, a Pakistani environmentalist, values trash and converts it into houses, water reservoirs, and compost. Her NGO, Gulbao, is working endlessly, recycling plastic into a heaven for the poor. Tons of industrial plastic waste, mostly wrappers that factory owners reject due to printing issues, is made into bricks and then a house is constructed with it. This is a successful project being run in Karachi. Nargis Latif is doing her bit for a clean and green Pakistan. On an individual level, don't throw colorful wrappers, cardboard boxes, and plastic bottles, but reuse them in creative ways. Number three is adopt environment friendly practices. Conservation of nature and its resources is an important step you should take right this second. Don't waste water as every drop counts. Also, there are various tips to save electricity that are not only good on your pocket but also play a bigger role in adopting energy efficient ways. Grow organic food. Create a kitchen garden of your own. Don't let your terrace, balcony, or front yard give a barren look. This will make your house look beautiful, and if every house in Pakistan bears a green look, the country would automatically become green. Number 4 is plant more trees. This is more of a drive. A 10 billion tree tsunami project has been launched by Prime Minister for a clean and green Pakistan. Many saplings have been planted. More are in progress and will soon be planted across the country. This is being done on the massive scale. Individuals can also participate in beautifying their streets. Plant a neem tree. It is easy to maintain, requires less water, and gives ample shade. Number 5 is water conservation. Water conservation is important because it keeps water pure and clean while protecting the environment. Conserving water means using our water supply wisely and be responsible, as every individual depends on water for livelihood. We must learn how to keep our limited supply of water pure and away from pollution. Water conservation is the practice of using water efficiently to reduce unnecessary water usage. According to Fresh Water Watch, water conservation is important because fresh, clean water is a limited resource as well as costly one. Number 5 is use biodegradable stuff. Biodegradable products are made from materials that are renewable and recyclable and are a part of sustainable living. That means the waste generated from these products won't go in a landfill site. Some brands have introduced paper bags embedded with seeds. So even if someone throws them away, the seed can be converted into plants, or you can take out the seeds and plant them yourself. Number 6 is don't use polythene bags. Try not to use excessive polythene bags. Replace it with paper bags or biodegradable bags, but avoid plastic as much as you can. Although you love to go on a picnic at one of the most beautiful beaches in Karachi, remember it is just not right to throw plastic bottles or snack wrappers around. Keep your streets and roads clean. Anything plastic in the sea can kill fish. A recent photo of a dead dolphin make rounds on the social media. Its beak had a plastic cap stuck and it died because of starvation and thirst. For a clean and green Pakistan, let us join hands and do our bit to make Pakistan beautiful. Allah Hafiz.